My name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you how you can easily enable silent mode in iPhone 14 and how you can actually do it. So to do it and how you can enable silent mode is if you would go here and on the bottom you see the click here, right? Silent mode on, silent mode off. So there is this button, you see it? And when you're gonna move it, it's on and then it's off. And that's pretty much how we do it. So if you're gonna have any questions, ask me down in the comments. I'll really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and support. You know how it goes. Of course, guys, you can write also in the comments down below that this video was helpful. And that's pretty much it. So thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye.